is a cutie. Look at him. He was very hyper. He was running around like crazy. I guess he's tired now. I want him. Yeah. He's getting calmer now. Oh, you want to play? You want to play? You want to play? Ow! Ow! Huh? Video. Erg. Erg. Okay. You're gonna rip it, sweetie. Come on. Come on. Let go. Look at his face. He's so cute. I want to take you home. I want to take you home. I want to, yeah. Ow! Oh, hold on. He's so cute. Ah! He's so cute. Okay, I think I'm ready. Calm down. Here. My sweetie.